Hey everyone, have you ever swiped the credit card and thought, I'll worry about it later? Or faced an unexpected expense and thought, I wish I'd planned for this? We've all been there. Today, we're diving into the 5 biggest financial mistakes people make and how you can avoid them. By understanding these common pitfalls, you can totally change your financial future. Let's get started. Our first big mistake: living above our means. Ever had that one friend who splurges on designer everything? Maybe that friend's you. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of shopping or keeping up with the latest trends. Create a realistic budget that works for and prioritize what truly adds value to your life. You don't need to cut out all the fun, but think of your future self. What would they want? Don't let lifestyle creep steal your financial freedom. On to mistake number 2: ignoring an emergency fund. Imagine your car breaks down out of the blue, or you suddenly have medical bills. Without an emergency fund, these costs can throw you off balance or push you into debt. Start by aiming for at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This way, you've got a buffer for when life gets unpredictable. Think of it as your safety net. Third mistake: relying on debt to cover essentials. If your credit card is footing the bill for basics like groceries or rent, it's time for a budget check. Take a look at your spending, cut back on the non-essentials, or consider a side hustle. Let's aim to get you to a place where debt isn't your go-to. Mistake number 4: putting off investing. Here's a myth buster: you don't have to be rich to invest. Starting with even a small amount can make a huge difference down the line, thanks to the power of compound interest. Consider options like index funds and ETFs. Don't wait to start building your future. Last, but definitely not least, mistake number 5: not having a financial plan. Think of it like going on a road trip without a map. A solid financial plan is your roadmap to success. Start with your goals, both short-term and long-term. Having these targets will help you make focused, intentional decisions. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. Mistake number 6: neglecting to track your spending. Ever thought, where did all my money go this month? It's a common feeling when we don't keep tabs on our daily expenses. But here's the truth: if you don't track it, you can't improve it. Imagine the relief you'll feel knowing exactly where your money is going. Start small. Use free budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB, or go old school with a notebook. The point is to be aware and in control. Trust me, once you start tracking, you'll find areas to save without even realizing it. Mistake 7: ignoring high interest debt. It's like carrying a backpack full of bricks while climbing a mountain. It only slows you down and wears you out. Here's the game plan: tackle high interest debts first. Use the avalanche method. Start with the one charging you the most interest. Or, if you need quick motivation, the snowball method lets you knock out small debts first to build momentum. Both strategies work. Pick what feels right for you. Every payment toward debt is a step closer to financial freedom. Let's talk about mistake number 8: forgetting to protect your wealth. Imagine working hard to save and invest, only to lose it all because of an unexpected event. Scary, right? That's where insurance steps in. It's your safety net. Health, life, and property insurance aren't just bills, they're shields. And don't forget about disability insurance if you're earning an income. It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Think of it as peace of mind for your financial future. Finally, mistake number 9. Overlooking ways to increase your income. Sure, cutting expenses is important, but there's only so much you can trim. Growing your income, that's where the magic happens. Think about side hustles like freelancing, teaching online, or selling handmade goods. Love photography? Start a photo service. Great at cooking? Offer meal preps. A little extra effort now can create a lot of financial freedom later. Remember, every dollar earned puts you closer to your goals. Now that you know the biggest mistakes to avoid, I challenge you to take action. Start small, maybe cut an unnecessary expense, set up that savings account, or research investment options. Every little bit counts. Don't get overwhelmed. Just pick one thing and focus on it. Drop a comment below with the one change you're making today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more financial tips and share this with anyone you think could use a financial boost.